Did you know that the police Men in Black sunglasses are already among the most successful models in the history of the brand? Just to give you a number, since its release, more than 250 units have been ordered on average every day, which means in total 4 times more units than the previous collection bestseller. Why am I telling you this? Because Men in Black style is part of the iconic Origins family, and not only the movie project was successful, but also the product concept. In fact, Origins models are already among the best sellers both within the Sun and Optical collection. Origins series is going to be the protagonist of the coming Police collection too. Hi, my name is Michele Mion, Police Brand Manager, and I'm going to introduce the new Police Sunday 19 collection. The new collection features some interesting style themes and novelties. First of all, as anticipated, Origins family is again the key pillar of the collection and has been enlarged with a further selection of sunglasses and frames. All these models, as the previous one, take inspiration from signature styles in police history and always feature the iconic eagle and Police 1983 logo. Within the Origins range, it's worth mentioning the reissue of the double profile design, which is one of the most important elements of police eyewear since the 80s. Another important theme is the return of wraparound sunglasses, which follows a clear market trend. Wraparound models will be available both inside the Origins family and also within the Heritage Sport cluster. On a more commercial level, a wide selection of competitive metal styles will be available in the entry and low price segment. Police collections are usually structured in 4 style clusters: Heritage Urban, Heritage Sport, Fast Fashion and Discovery. This year, Discovery segment has been replaced by the new Lewis Hamilton Capsule collection, which will be presented in a separate training video. Let's have an overview of the new collection product families. Within Heritage Urban, Origins is of course the key family, and the new collection includes 8 new styles. The other 2 concepts, Highway and Axiom, are a continuation of best-selling concepts of the previous releases. Heritage Sport segment includes 4 models in 2 families: Edge, one of the most performing temple concepts, now featuring new wrap-around shapes, and Zenith, 2 new frames with a new carbon fiber temples. Finally, Fast Fashion features a lot of new interesting concepts in the entry and low price segments. Origins Light is a simpler and more casual version of the Origins concept. Tuxedo family includes new metal trendy shapes. Offset and Lapis offer well-made frames made of metal and plastic with typical color decorations. In the last part of this training video, I would like to focus your attention on the most important pieces of this new police collection. Let's start from the Origins family. As anticipated, one of the most important highlights is the return of the wraparound shapes. Here we can see a very daring and stylish mask shape, which is inspired to the iconic police masks of the late 2000s. This model features a metal frame with a blue additional profile, creating a color contrast with the metal profile. The eagle logo is applied in high relief both on the temple and on the bridge. Continuing with the Origins family, here is a new pilot shape, which I believe will be one of the best-selling models of this collection. The outline of the lenses has been traced exactly on the S8299, which, if you remember, has been the Police absolute bestseller and most recognized model for several years starting from 2011. As the S8299, this new style features a double profile around the lenses, while the temples and the bridge has been reinterpreted, adding the Origins Eagle logo in high relief on both elements. Concluding the overview on Origins family, here we can see an example of the new frames. The most interesting element of these frames is the metal temple, a new concept with a tubular shape, which gives the right retro look, together with the high-relief eagle decoration and vertical lines on contrast. This decoration pattern is directly inspired to the police style of the early 90s. Let's move on to the Heritage Sport cluster. In this group, I would like to focus on this new frame called Zenith. This product features a new temple with a geometrical shape. The temple has a carbon fiber element, clearly visible, that gives an extraordinary resistance without increasing the weight. The rest of the temple is made of soft rubber, which is injected directly on the carbon fiber through a very complex molding process. that ensures a great adhesion between the two materials. Thanks to the rubber, the fit is more comfortable and this material characterizes the frame with a touch of color. Finally, the fast fashion cluster. Here I will talk about a couple of interesting metal styles. I will start from the Origins Light family. Origins Light concept is of course inspired to the Origins family, but has been reinterpreted, simplifying the line and adding a touch of color. Here is a pilot shape with a simpler version of the Origins Eagle logo on the temple. This is the only decorative element visible outside and gives also that color detail which is needed to make these styles recognizable. The other sunglasses family in the fast fashion segment is Tuxedo. While Origins Light offer mostly classic shapes with just a color detail, Tuxedo is more young target oriented, offering more trendy shapes and color. This model in fact features an hexagonal lens shape, which follows a huge trend in the market, where at the moment geometrical or round shapes are the most requested. This was the last model. Thank you for your attention and enjoy the new Polesco collection.